hi guys. Today let's see about DDoS attack. Okay. So what is DDoS attack? So what tools we gonna use? How this technique is working? So what is the mechanism of this DDoS attack? Okay. So let me break it down side by side. So DDoS attack is a denial distribution of attacks. Okay. So for example, each and every company will be having a web server, right? So see, this is an attacker, right? So how attacker is doing this denial services attack to the web companies? Actually, for company, it's a network based attack. Okay, so it's a actually active network based attack. What is an active network based attack? It will be intercepting between the company's network. Okay, so company will be having their routers, right? So and then their PCs and then their servers. So everything will be under the company's network, which will be interlocking with each and every services, right? So what is a DDoS attack does actually? If company having some websites, okay, in this website some port is open, okay, so most probably this DDoS attack will be happening in the open ports, because open ports it's a very easy to gain the access, okay. And then as well as if you see in a DDoS attack, it will be pulling the request from the outsource of our network, so attacker will be keep on sending this request by multiple times. We have more things in DDoS attack: denial distribution attack, DOS attack. What is the difference between DDoS attack and DOS attack? Okay, so in DOS, so just a distribution of attack, attacker will be sending by single IP address. Okay, so for example, I'm explaining with you the practical part. Okay, so I'm targeting some websites. Okay, of this IP address is 192.168.1.1. So you consider this is a website IP address which will be connecting to the company's network, right? So attacker will be only targeting the single IP address of the web application of using his own IP address. It will be no changes of any IP address. This is will be the attacker's IP address is considered. Okay. So attacker will be doing this DDoS attack only by this network IP address. It will be not keep on sending any random IP address. So what will happen? This method is a very old method. So attacker used to do for the specific attack for a single domain or a single website or a single router. Okay. In another hand, in DDoS, what has happened? Here attacker will be having some ranges of IP address. Okay, from 192.168.1.12. Okay, he will have some ranges. It can be any random numbers. It's con I'm telling like his 100. So in this 100 it can be like attacker can use under 50. It may be like 10.0.1. Okay, it comes under DDoS attack, denial distribution. So it will be coming from different IP addresses. Okay, it will be not from the same IP address. It will be targeting multiple ports and services into the networks. Okay, so to see this demonstration, okay, I'm going to use my Linux machine. So here is my Linux machine. So Linux will be coming in a pre-default of hping 3 tool. Okay, we have hping 3. So let me copy and paste this. So what is this actually does? So hping 3. So what is a ping command actually does, right? So ping will be doing some ICMP packages, right? So what is ping? ICMP packages, network control message protocol, right? So it will be checking whether, sorry, the host is alive or not. So if I want to ping my PC1 to PC2, I can able to check whether this PC is active. So this PC will be sending some IMC packages, whether it will check this network is active or not. If it is not, it will be saying like unreachable. Why it's unreachable? So because it will be sending some ACK packages, acknowledgement packages, and then securitized packages. This both will be confirming whether my host is up or on a down. Okay, so then What is the process of it? If it is up, we can able to communicate with this PC. If it is not up, it's down, then we can't able to communicate or intercept between PC1 to PC2, right? We can't able to share our resources or printers. If I want to take just printer, I can able to tell my printer, okay, please take a printout. I can just press it over here. It will be start sending a printing, right? So this is what we'll be doing in a IMC packages, where it will send acknowledgement packages and synchronized packages to check whether host is alive or not. But it's the same concept which we are using hping 3. So what is hping 3? It will be sending high numbers of ping requests to the specific port. As you can able to see, I mentioned some flags, -c, -d, s64 and port number. So what is a flood? As I told it as it's I'm gonna do DDoS attack. It will be using some random IP address targeting some specific IP addresses. Okay. So we are most probably we are creating a lot more traffic of 15,000 packages. Okay. So C reference for the packages, D is for size of the packages, P is for port number, flood for flooding the informations. Okay. Random is for using random IP addresses. So how can I able to check this? If I press enter, okay, let me add my password. Okay. So as you can able to see, the high ping has been started. So this is the Ethernet. This is the Ethernet 0 has been set it. So header, the data has been transmitting over here. So to check with it, what I can able to see, I will go to my Wireshark to analyze my packages under my network. Okay. So you can able to see my Ethernet is up. So this is the source IP address which I'm sending from my. So you can able to see only the synchronized packages will be sending over here. Right. So it will be sending a numbers of packages until I stop here. Okay, if I'm not stopping this packages will be keep on sending this. So but it will also use some random IP addresses. As I told you, it's a flooding and random source. It will be selecting some random IP address to, but destination will be in the same 192.168.4.31, right? So you're able to see this is what my target. So what is I said my target? The packages also will be sending to only the specific target, but n numbers of the packages. What will happen here? So most probably it will be getting slowed down, then it will be not working properly because the web application can't able to manage this ton of request by a single command, right? Yes. Once if I stop it, as you can able to see, each and every command has been started. Right? It will be not opening over here. So that's it. The flood attack has been completed here. So it's not filtering the ports or anything. It's completed. So I hope this video has been find it helpful. So thank you guys.